after what was a hugely dominant year, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe even record-breaking year with 7 overall Grand Prix victories, let's put it that way. And holding the red plate from the absolute beginning to the end of the year, Kaido Wolf is going to be running the one plate for Neston Husqvarna in 2024 and 2025, sorry, and also gave us this massive jump. I mean, this thing was huge. You think to send it like that, just big trust, big skill, big balls. Uh, but I mean, this is I love MX2. I love MXGP. It's just cool seeing like the best in the world at what they do race all over the world in different tracks, different scenario, like not scenarios, but different dirt compounds, whatever you want to call it. And I love racing in general. We do have a quote from Kai Wolf saying, "My off season has been great, lots of hard work, but nothing drastic has changed. I feel strong, confident, and ready to go. Running the number one plate is something I've dreamed about my whole life, and now I have the chance. I see it as motivation rather than pressure. The goal is simple: stay consistent, get on the podium as much as possible, and fight to defend my title." Obviously, if you are the world champion, you're going to come in as the next year as a favorite for the title again. I mean, unless you have massive changes of, teams, bikes, whatever, he's going to come in and be the guy that everyone's going to be looking for as as a benchmark, as a speed setter, and hopefully he can do it again. I mean, I don't know, man. That jump still absolutely lives free in my head because that was so big. And Rasmus Jorgensen, the Neston, I don't know how you say it, Husqvarna team factory manager said, "Quote, once again, I'm extremely proud of our entire team and the ambitious approach we have taken during this winter period. Continuously striving for improvement in all areas is essential to achieving our goals. Kai has had a strong offseason so far, working hard to put himself in the best possible position for the season ahead. He's embracing the number one plate with exactly the right mindset." And who knows? I mean, he could come in and be, I don't want to say bad, but I highly doubt it. If you're going to win a championship one year, the next year you're probably going to still be right up there in the top. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Do you watch MXGP or MX2? Or are you just an American side supercross, motocross fan, whatever it is? Or how well do you think he's going to do? Maybe do you have a different person you think is going to win the title? Maybe his teammate Liam, if he gets back from injury soon enough. But comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.